Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished doing a Starline S96 with phone notification and tracking on this Audi RSQ8 2021 plate. Just had it from one of our regular customers. So this alarm system is fantastic. It's basically connected to your phone through an app, gives you navigation. It comes with a tagging system, and you've got various applications you can use on the phone. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give Richard the keys, and we've hidden the tag. So imagine someone's cloned the keys and he's just entered the vehicle by getting the frequency. So when he opens the door, alarm's going off, and also what's happening is the dome goes off there, showing me the door that's going off as well. If I answer this call, put it on speakerphone, you might be able to hear it. Door open. So if Richard tries to start the vehicle now as well, the vehicle won't start also. Won't start. Okay, so now if he presents the tag, so we'll just get Richard to get the tag out. The alarm's still going off, phone's going off, etc. So as soon as he presents the tag, completely wirelessly, he can put his foot on the brake and start the car. Car starts up. So you just need to present the tag with you. Just need to have this as for an authorization, and that's it. When you walk away, have the tag, car locks, etc. You don't really need to, doesn't really distract the owner that much. You just have to have the tag with you. Okay, if you're interested in getting something like this done in your vehicle, get in contact with us, or you can visit our website www.carsoundsecurity.com. Thank you.